Hello dear students, wish you a pink morning. Welcome you all back to English literature class. Today we are going to proceed further with chapter 3, Living with Pap in The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Okay, so far we have studied here, we have read that Huckleberry's father has kidnapped him, means has absconded him. It means he has brought Huckleberry Finn without his consent, is forcefully to a wooden cabin which is 3 miles from Mrs. Douglas' house, of course on the other side of the river, and there is no way for escaping for Huckleberry Finn because his father is always with him. Even at night he locks the door and keeps the key under his bed, and whenever he goes out he locks the door from outside. But once when his father has gone to market and hasn't returned for 3 days, Huckleberry Finn thinks that he will never come back and he must have been drowned in the river. So he suddenly finds a rusty saw which is hidden in the rafters, in the beams of the roof, and he starts cutting the part of the backside of that cabin. And suddenly he hears his father guns firing, and soon his father comes. That we have studied on. Now let's see what happens. When his father comes, of course, he is not in good mood. Okay, his mood is not good. He was not in good humor. It means in bad mood. And of course, it was his natural mood. Okay, that's why he has, in other words, he was his natural self. His father is a cruel person. He's a great drunkard, Hardly does he smile. Okay, so it means he is sad. This is his natural mood. Huckleberry cooks food. While he is cooking, his father is drinking. Okay, the old man took a swig or two from his bottle. A swig means big gulp. Okay, what you take at a time, that wine, that is gulp. Means he had lain all along the night in the street and he was completely dirty. Okay, he was very dirty, and of course he was completely covered in mud. Clear? After supper, after having food, Pap began to drink again. Again he starts drinking, and I guessed he would be dead drunk in about an hour. And he assumes that in an hour only he will be completely senseless. Means he will drink so much. Okay, and he plans that time Huckleberry Finn will steal the key and or complete his work of cutting that wall, that wooden wall, and then he will run away from there. I tried to keep awake, but before I knew it, I was sound asleep. He is a children. He is child only. So he doesn't know when he falls asleep because it's late night. Okay, and when he woke, when his eyes opened, of course his father was waking him, and he was standing in front of him and he was looking very angry. Sour means angry, unpleasant. So he said, looking sour and sick, out with you and see if there is any fish on the lines for breakfast. Of course, this is the next morning, and his father is asking him angrily to go to see if there is a fish in the fishing line. He unlocked the door and I cleared out. Of course, his father unlocks the door and Huckleberry goes out. I went along the bank. Now he goes to the river bank there and sees that the river water has risen. Okay? And immediately Huckleberry finds a boat is floating. Boat has come floating along that river water. Canoe means a kind of boat. Okay. I shot head first into the river and swam to the canoe. So Huckleberry Finn goes into the river and reaches that canoe. There was nobody in it. So he boards that boat and brings it to the bank, paddles it to ashore means bank. Now here paddle is walk in the river. Clear? Paddle. Now here was my means of escape. Now he is very happy to think that this, with the help of that boat he can run away from there. So quickly he hides that boat. But of course he was very careful of taking care that his father is not seeing him. That time Huckleberry saw his father was taking aim at a bird, okay, and he doesn't know anything about that canoe. Now when his father comes, of course Huckleberry is involved in working hard to show his father only that he was working with that fishing line. Okay? And his father is very angry, and he starts scolding and abusing him for being so slow. But he says that he has fallen actually into that water. That's why it took him so long. So he gets 5 catfish. You know what is catfish? Garai we say in Hindi. Catfish. Which were caught in that fishing line. And then taking those 5 fish, he goes home. Okay? In this way, we have enjoyed this story. Hope you've enjoyed this session. Thank you very much.